guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. So today we are doing some king crab. Just do this together really quick. Y'all, I'm not gonna tell y'all how I almost just lost this whole plate, y'all. Came tumbling down because when I sat down, I sat on the court. But for today's drink, honey, she's feeling tropical. Yes, so I just have a little fuzzy navel, frozen fuzzy navel. Okay, oh, it's so good, y'all. It's so delicious. So I have my dip back here. And I keep it back here because it's just closer to me. So it's easier for me to get to it. So let me just say my grace. I found my shears. I'm so happy about that. So we're going to start with this. Y'all look at this. This thing is huge. So much meat in the knuckle part. Rub in some of this butter. Hold on. Okay. I think I got all that out. Y'all, I am in such a good mood. Hold on. So, I told you guys on the last video that it's my sister's birthday. And my friend Tamika's birthday. So, let me just cut this because I don't got time. So, my friend Tamika's having a party today. And then my sister is having a party tomorrow. And nothing big. Ooh. My friend Tamika, she probably just having like 10 people. It's gonna be just like a little house party. We just eat some more seafood, you know, have some drinks, play some games. Look at that, y'all. Oh, hold on, let me dip it. Let me dip. That's so good, y'all. But so we're just gonna play some games, have some food, drinks. That's later on tonight. That's like at 8 o'clock. But I'm really excited about my sister's party tomorrow. She's older than me, my sister Keisha. And we always have a really good time at her parties. Because she know how to throw a party, okay? And it's always like I think my sister turns 40, I want to say 42. It's so many of us, y'all. It's hard for me to keep up. But I want to say she's turning 42. And she just know how to have a good time. She's that sister that always, she has like the fun house, you know? So, but she's having it over my one of my younger sister's house. My sister Jewel. So you guys will get to meet all of them because I will be vlogging tomorrow. I'll be vlogging tonight too at my friend Tamika's party. But tomorrow, we're gonna be lit, y'all. We're gonna have us a good time. Cause like I said, we always have a good time at her house. Last year, she had a party. And I vlogged it. I think that was probably like one of the best vlogs that I ever did, y'all. It was like, we had so much fun. Just family. We had all the seafood you can eat. Food. She barbecued. It was just a good time. We was dancing, laughing. You know, just having a good time. And I ended up having to take that vlog down because copyright issues, and I tried to like change so many things, and every time I put it back up it would get flagged again, so I just deleted it. But we had a good time. So I am so excited. Y'all see my shirt? Foodie. I found this shirt at Ross yesterday. But yeah, I'm excited. We're gonna have us a good time. So it'll be my sisters, my mom, my daddy might not come because no, he might not feel like coming out. But a few of my cousins coming that I haven't seen in a while. Yeah, so I'm ready. Ready. Ooh. Cause we gonna add the food. So I gotta make some macaroni and cheese. I'll probably make it in the morning. Well, I know I'll make it in the morning. And Ryan's cooking the seafood and stuff tomorrow. Look at this, y'all. Come on out. Think about that meat. This one didn't have a lot of fat on it, which I'm happy about. I'll wrap it around with some of this butter. I text Ryan. I texted Ryan earlier today and told him not to forget about tonight. And I ain't heard from him. But see, I know where he lives. And I will pull up. Period. Y'all, it's early right now. It's like 2 o'clock. So I'll still be able to eat tonight. I got an appointment, a nail appointment at 5. So, ooh. Today was the last day of school for the babies. But Tony is so excited. He is going to summer camp at his school, but that doesn't start until June 10th. Y'all, and then Sunday, I plan on trying to, hold on, let me get this out. I plan on decorating my patio. So I want to, you know, put like a little porch rug out there that's big enough to cover that whole area. My porch is not that big, but it's so nice out there. And I want to be able to sit out there and enjoy it. But I want it to look cute. Y'all know how I am. I want it to look nice. So I wanted to get some new patio furniture because the patio chairs that's out there right now I've had for probably like 3 years. I don't really like them. And Tony don't want me to get nothing new for whatever reason, but I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna sneak it, okay? I'm gonna sneak it in. And it's gonna look so nice. He's gonna be like, oh baby, what, oh. And there it is. That's how you gotta do it, y'all. So I'm excited about that too. I get so excited about like the weirdest things now. The older I get, like I'm excited about redoing my patio. Well, it's not even really redoing because I never did it. But I want to buy like some plants, and I've never had my own real plant. And I want to get into that stuff. So I'm going to talk to my friend April. Told me to go to some place, I forgot the name of it. And she said they'll tell me how to take care of plants and stuff like that, because I really don't know. I really have no idea. I mean just the basic stuff. Just let it get some sun, water it. But I'm gonna go buy some new plants and a cute little table so we can just like relax out there. Sometimes we can eat out there, have some drinks, you know. Oh, this thing is, God. But yeah, so, but I have to get me a little fan or something to go out there too, because you know, sometimes your patio will have like a fan, ours don't have it. And it's hot, it's fire out there right now. That's one of the things I'm not looking forward to tomorrow. It's being in all that heat. But me and my family, we so close that we just have a good time. I'm so excited, y'all. I can't wait. I can't wait. I don't like this one. Y'all like this? I don't. Because for one thing, these things on this one right here, it's too much. I can't even hold it to get it open, so I'm not even fighting with that thing today. I'll get out with Tony. Now y'all don't act like y'all ain't just see me eat 3 legs. Oh, look at my hands, y'all. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Woo! She's full. Y'all, this drink is so good. I didn't make this drink. I made it, but I didn't make it. So I bought this drink from this little ice cream shop called Rita's, I think. And I just got an icy. It's a coconut and mango icy. It is so good. And then I just added my garnishes, added the whipped cream at the top and the strawberries. And y'all know me. She gotta stay cute, child. She gotta have everything pretty. Period. All right, guys, so I hope you guys were done eating if you're eating with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the next 2 videos at the bottom of the screen, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.